Okay, so I am watching Victorious, my favorite episode, which is episode 19, season 3, episode 19. My I love this. My mom got me this dragon fruit candle for I'll burn my wall. Valentine's Day. Dragon fruit candle for Valentine's Day. I got 19. I got 19,000. I can't talk. I got 19,000 points today in Block. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna pull up a photo. I don't know where my photo went, but. Dude, I can't. That's the wrong one. Dior blush. Oh. Dior blush. I'm gonna tap the blushes. Maybe it's because I had too much Dr. Pepper. Face spray. Dude, I like it. Yeah. There's food in my throat. So as my mom asked me. I know. Okay. Okay. I heard you could do a full face of makeup with this, like with the eyeballs.
So I'm in charge of babysitting your butterfly.
Maybe you shouldn't be babysitting anymore. You know, after what happened when you
Look
took
at it, it's so pretty. It's like jello. I want all of the colors, like I want all the shades. Is that a piece of glitter? False one. Ooh, lip tint. There's some. Okay.
Dang it. What's up, Grandma? Grandma.